15 fascinating facts about our planet Earth.
Earth is the only planet not named after mythological god or goddess. The 7 planets, named after the Roman gods or goddess, are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. 4. They are visible to our naked eyes. The planets Uranus, Neptune also used the Roman method. The name Earth was derived from the 8th century Anglo-Saxon word, Erda, meaning ground or land. Yorte and earth in the Middle English. Earth was the name of the sphere of the earth in the 15th century. Here is the planetary symbol of the Earth, which represents the compass points, Earth and land.
Do you know which planet is denser?
It's the planet Earth, whose core is denser than the crust and has an average density of 5.52 grams per cubic centimeter. Earth has the most powerful magnetic field. And you know, if space were a vacuum, then Earth's magnetic field would extend to infinity. But ESA has collected data stating that the affected area is the South Atlantic anomaly. Here, the magnetic force is weakened by 9% over the last 200 years. Experts from the European Space Agency ESA have warned that the changing magnetic field can affect the spacecraft in the region, since sustaining life by shielding us from cosmic radiations and other charged particles from the Sun. According to the data given by the ESA, the magnetic field has lost nearly 9% of its strength on a global average in the last 200 years. This year, the minimum field strength in the South Atlantic anomaly has seen a drop of around 24,000 nanotels to 22,000 from its strength in 1970. Do you know that there are no 24 hours in a day?
How is it possible?
Our actual Earth day is 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds.
Oh my god! It means that we have been stealing so many light years for centuries.
There are actually 8 continents, not 7. Zealandia is the Earth's hidden continent. According to the GSA study, 94% of Zealandia is submerged. In fact, New Zealand and the island of New Caledonia are both part of the same landmass, despite the fact that 1,500 miles of ocean separates them. Earth used to be purple. Do you know why? The purple Earth hypothesis is an astrobiological hypothesis that life forms of early Earth were retinal-based rather than chlorophyll-based, making Earth appear purple rather than green. Then why does it appear blue?
It is because the Earth is predominantly covered with water. Water absorbs the white light and the radiation. When sunlight reaches the water absorbs lights of all colors in the white light and reflects only blue light. Thus, the Earth from space appears blue.
The Mariana Trench, an underwater canyon in the western Pacific Ocean, measures 35,813 feet below sea level. It's home to some weird stuff like sea cucumbers and plenty of other creepy.
What could be the driest place on Earth? But it is not the desert. Surprisingly, the driest spot on Earth is located in a roughly 1,850 square miles area in Antarctica, appropriately named Dry Valleys. There are bodies of water, but there is relatively no ice or snow. Thanks to heavy winds that take moisture elsewhere and a lack of rain for 2 million years means there is a zero net gain of water in the area. Right now, you are traveling through space at about 66,000 miles per hour. Earth spins at about 1,000 miles per hour and is currently moving through space at about 66,000 miles per hour around the Sun. In fact, our entire solar system is moving at around 560,000 miles per hour, but since we are in a constant state of motion, we are unable to feel it. Earthquakes have the ability to produce gold without requiring cash.
Many elements, such as gold, are just sitting around about 6 miles below Earth's surface. When an earthquake occurs, water inside the fault vaporizes and mixes with silicate to form gold. Unfortunately, it would take at least 100,000 years for this process to create any amount of gold worth mining.
Earth has a slight bulge around the equator and is not a perfect sphere. Since Earth is spinning at about 1000 miles per hour, this motion gives the planet an oblate spheroid shape, rather than a sphere. This means the middle of the Earth around the equator bulges out slightly. Although Earth may look perfectly round in photos, the distance from sea level to Earth's core at the equator is 13 miles greater than at Earth's poles. The continents of the Earth move at the same rate as human fingernails grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, Learn to Excel.